What is Unboxx Technologies? Let me quickly tell you a little bit brief about what type of services Unboxx Technology provide to their customers. First of all, Unboxx is an AI-first Salesforce consulting partner. We provide complete 360 digital transformation services, typically based on Salesforce platform, as well as we can able to integrate and communicate with other systems as well, including Google Cloud, AWS, Snowflake, and other such platforms. In terms of the areas that we support for our customers are mainly divided into 5 main core areas. Number 1, we start with the business growth prospect, where we utilize Salesforce Sales Cloud in order to do the lead management for the organizations. Next on, after you have secured the client, is the customer support. We utilize Service Cloud for customer support, automation, and provide top-notch services to your existing and future clients. Next up is user community portals. If you are in an area where you have user communities who comes in and utilize your services, as an example, if you are running an insurance agency or you are having a healthcare community or portal, as well as property portals and other such initiatives where your customer needs to sign in to a particular portal, able to manage their activities, we can utilize Salesforce Experience Cloud in order to provide a full-on community portal services. Next up, which is the fourth, is sales and marketing. Salesforce inherently have 2 main marketing clouds, which is Pardot, it's renamed to account management, as well as Salesforce Marketing Cloud. One is more predominant for B2B and one is for B2C. We here at Unboxx are expert in managing both of Salesforce Pardot as well as Marketing Cloud projects, where we manage end-to-end marketing activities, which includes connecting to your other platforms as well as with the Salesforce, and create a complete 360 view of your data. Next on is a mix of all the other support services that we provide, which includes complete auditing of your current tech stack or Salesforce more specifically, as well as we provide end-to-end Salesforce managed services. You can start as minimum as 10 hours a month and goes all the way up to hundreds of hours a month of support as needed. On top of it, we also provide talented onshore and offshore Salesforce resources, and we are one of the very few organizations who not only provide resources, but we provide complete package and overview management of our resources via means of providing a project manager as well as the support staff to make sure our consultants are extremely helpful for the project and able to provide the best value for the buck. So these are some of the areas that we provide. However, as I said, we have a diverse portfolio within the Salesforce. We have served various type of clients, and we are more than happy to hop on a call to discuss your future projects. Hope this helps, and keep watching our channel for more content related to AI and Salesforce. Thank you.